Hello, hi children. Today we're going to sing a new rhyme, Little Seed. Let's start the rhyme, children. Sing with me and join with me, childrens. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down come the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes the flower, grow, grow, grow. One more time, children, sing with me. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down comes the raindrop, soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Thank you, children. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Support our channel. Thank you.